Carmen has discovered that she has roots in Portugal, and she's making a meal called Camarone, Adovada e Bacalhau that combines the best of both cuisines.
Hola.
Tyrone, hola.
With your new culinary chops, it's time for you to make a meal for your friends and family that's 100% you.
Awesome, I'm excited.
Sounds good?
Yes.
Okay, first things first, you'll need this recipe. And since you don't have 3 days to soak your salt cod, Chef Julie was nice enough to give you some.
Oh, bacalhau. Awesome.
So you've got bacalhau, you've got the recipe, and you've got your kitchen crew. What else you need?
I need to start. So go, go, go.
Okay, see you in a bit.
Bye. I love being in the kitchen. Kitchen is my safe place.
Camarone adovada e bacalhau, or crispy salt cod fritters and plump, juicy shrimp smothered in a rich, complex chili base with salsa verde and cotija cheese. Mexican cuisine is rich, textured, and complex, and Carmen's sauce is just that. Chili powder, oregano, cumin, all staples of Mexican cuisine. This sauce features 4 different chilies, each with a different flavor. And then for the perfect balance of sweet and tart, vinegar, raisins, honey, cinnamon, and orange and lime juice.
Awesome, and I'm going to start the bacalhau fritters.
Now Carmen takes the salt cod recipe she learned earlier today and gives it a DNA dinner twist by making crispy fritters with a bit of flour and egg white.
My family and friends are going to love this dish because we love adovado, we love fish and shrimps, and it's gonna be a beautiful combination. Oh, they're gonna love it.
Once the shrimp are just done, Carmen bathes them in her rich, spicy sauce.
Carmen,
Yes.
salsa verde is ready.
Ooh, great. But no without the cilantro.
Hey.
Hey, you're back.
Yes, ooh, this looks good. Okay, so I have some good news. Your friends and family are here. They're excited to hear about your day, but they really want to know what you made them to eat because they're hungry.
I'm almost ready. Go. Adios. Adios. I need to finish here.
All right.
Portuguese salt cod fritters are topped with Mediterranean shrimp, bathed in a Mexican sauce, and topped with salsa verde and Mexican cotija cheese.
I had invited to dinner my best friend Mirna, my niece Alexa, my friend Scott, and my friend Sean.
Hello, everyone. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Nice to see you.
You too, you brought your friends?
Indeed.
Yeah.
Carmen's been working on a recipe that combines her Mexican heritage with the flavors of her newly found culture. I know she's excited to share this with you guys, so I think it's time we bring our girl in.
Thank you everybody for being here. I'm so excited to share with you what I cook. Ready?
Whoa.
Let's do this.
Any countries come to mind? Any types of cuisines that come to mind when you're tasting this?
I'm wondering Greece. What about Sicily?
I taste a lot of fish. So sea, somewhere in like near the sea, which is a lot of places.
True.
What about you, Sean? What are you tasting?
Maybe Greece because it's the fish and
I'm trying to figure it out.
That's because yours is all finished.
I know. Exactly.
Well, I think we've done enough guessing and tasting.
I am Portuguese. And Alexa, you did well too, eh? The fish is bacalhau.
Oh, okay, makes sense, yes.
Guys, what you eating is camarone. They're shrimps with adovada. Adovada is a sauce made with beautiful ingredients, cilantro, dry peppers, and lots of spices. But if you want to make it more Carmen, don't forget to add more pepper. This is the best decision that I could have ever made. It was the right moment to do it. There were too many loose pieces in my life, a big puzzle. Thank you. Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers to that. Absolutely.
For Portugal.
For Portugal.
Portugal.
Now, as I said before, the results were part of your DNA,
Right.
but there's a little bit more.
What? More? Oh no.
I have another part of your DNA results. I hope that these results will get the same reaction and bring you even closer to all the questions that you had about your family history. Carmen Areza is also part.
Greek and Balkans?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Wow! Wow! Greece! I love Greece! We're going to Greece!
I'm going to Greece and Portugal. Yeah. Oh my God. Arriba.
Arriba.
Abajo.
Abajo.
Al
Al
centro.